How to transfer your information to Koofr on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your information to Koofr on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then just click the three lines here in the top corner, and now go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and now just click this one, transfer a copy of your information, and now click this one, next, and then select Koofr and manage here anything you want, and then click next. And now all you need to do is just connect your Facebook with Koofr. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.